This is the second part of report visualization. Next, we are going to design a page to shed some insights on the trips. We're going to add a scatter plot, and we are going to put the duration on the x-axis without any summarization, and we're going to add the price on the y-axis and set the average price with the destination for the legend. This will allow us to see how the average price varies depending on the duration of the trip and depending on the destination for a train coming from Madrid. We're going to customize the visuals to be consistent with our theme, and we're going to adjust the titles. The x-axis is good. The y-axis we can change to price average. The title will be or the legend destination, and this one will be average price versus duration by destination. At this point, it's good that we add a visual slicer. And this will be the departure date. This will allow us to give a context to the visualization on this page, which will adjust dynamically. Next, we are going to add a line chart, and here we're going to set the x-axis to be the departure, removing the quarter, and we can have the count of departures for the y-axis. We will adjust the level. Okay. We can rename this to number of trips. We can adjust the visual. Okay, so this will be departure date. This will be total trips. And what we're going to do now is we are going to do a forecast. We are going to enable a forecast. We want it to be 1 month ahead with a 95% confidence level. As you can see, you have the trend line and the upper and lower bound. Again, we can contextualize this report based on any time frames that we please. Last thing that we're going to do is we're going to add what are known as key influencers. So we are going to insert a key influencers. What we're going to do is we want to analyze the number of departures and we want to explain that using the day of the week, using the average duration, the fare, so what kind of ticket, the hour of the day, the average price, the vehicle class, and the vehicle type. And here we can see we do not want to summarize the hour, we want the average of price. Yeah, and here we can see that it tries to explain when the number of the purchase increases based on the vehicle class and different values combinations of the variables fields that we have chosen. Everything will be adjusted to the context given, either by date or even by destination. We can also take a look at the top segments. That concludes the second part of this presentation.